Hey y'all, it's Justice, and I'm back with the Mannequin Challenge video for you guys today. I'm just starting by cleaning the mannequin with alcohol, getting it cleaned and prepped just like you would do your face before putting on makeup. And then we're going to move into taking off those horrible cheap lashes that they put on there. That just looks horrible. It looks horrible. Um, so we're taking those off so that we can replace them with mine. And that was part of the reason why I decided to do the mannequin challenge. Because I was like, this would be the perfect way to promote my lashes, promote my lip gloss, promote my makeup. So, as a business owner, you're always trying to promote, promote, promote. And I had a expo that I was going to. And so I put this on the table at that expo, which I've already posted that video if you want to see live footage, like behind the scenes of me doing a model there for the fashion show. Then that's my previous video. But I wanted to have something to put on the table to kind of show off my makeup, show off my lashes, my lip gloss, just a conversation piece. So this is what I decided to do. So right now, and it's not as easy as it looks, seriously. It was really getting on my nerves because the blending is just different because it's not regular skin. So it leaves streaks and marks and fingerprints and all types of stuff. But I made it work. I made it do what it do. So right now, as you can see, I'm just getting her down, getting her color on there. I kind of want her to be chocolate, like a chocolate girl. So that's what I did. She looked kind of pale. They always look really pale to me. I don't know. So this is after I get the makeup all over her. I haven't gave her a name. I don't know. You guys can help me name her. So I started trying to do her brows with the dip gel, and I don't really like dip gel like that. Dip brow, or however you want to call it, pomade. But I was going to try to do hers like that because I just was like, man, this may work better than a pencil because it's not an actual person. But I ended up going back to the pencil because I just did not like it. So you're going to see me fill in her brows first with this. And then I'll go back and do the pencil. I won't wipe it off. I just kind of go in and fill the pencil in where it needs to be filled in at. So now I'm just cleaning the brows. And I clean under there first with a little bit of a lighter. I usually don't clean on top of the brows with a lighter color, but I had got so frustrated with actually doing the brows. I just was trying to go ahead and just get through with the brows. Because I was just wondering, what would the rest of this be like since the brows was so irritating. And I'm a perfectionist, so I can't help it. And as you see, I'm holding her neck, right? Like my fingerprints will be around her neck. That was so irritating. So I would suggest, if this is something that you're interested in doing, that you probably just do the face first and then go back and do the neck later, so you're not constantly cleaning up fingerprint marks and going back over it, like doing the process like I was. It probably will not slow you down as much. So now we're going in. I think this is my 30. I'm not sure which palette this is. So this is a Morphe palette that was given to me. It was a gift. And we're just going in, and I just want to do something cute, quick, and simple. So I'm taking like a purpley, I think I mixed a purple and a brown together. To be like my base color, and then I'm gonna cut the crease. So I decided not to cut the whole crease and just kind of do like a half cut crease. Then I went in with a gold color from that same palette, and it wasn't popping enough to me, so then I added like a pink gold color to like the tear duct area and kind of brought it out a little bit. Just trying to give it a little bit of color and dimension. So now we're starting with concealing. Which was not nearly as hard as anything else up until this point. Um, Pretty simple. Concealer like you would conceal, your face. I usually conceal under eye, forehead. I like to conceal my chin and my nose and above my lip. And if I'm feeling really fancy, I will conceal under where I contour, but I have to be feeling, like I said, really fancy. And so now, after I just baked, I didn't really bake though. Now I'm gonna go in and contour with powder, not liquid because it would have just made it messy. And then it's time for my favorite part, the lashes. We're using rule bender. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. And they were too long for her eye because this is a mannequin, not a person. So I did have to cut them. And for anyone who doesn't know how to cut your lashes, you cut from the inside, not the outside. So you cut the shorter part is usually in the inside. So you're going to cut the shorter part of your lash in the inside of the lash. Cut the band, not the lashes. And I put them on there. I use hair glue because I just want them to stay. Now we're going in with the highlighter. I'm using my fancy highlighter. I really haven't been using it lately, so I decided to go ahead and use it. Is it me or do her nose just look a little lopsided? Neither here nor there. So I use the rule bender lashes. Now we're highlighting, and then next I think it's going to be lip gloss. And if you ever feel like you highlight too much, just go in and blend. If you feel like you did anything too much, just go back in and blend. So now I'm using my Realer lip gloss. It's a brown tint. I'm going to put a little bit on my arm so you can see it. And that is me putting it on her. If you can see the difference, it just, I don't know, it just screams fall to me. I wouldn't really wear brown lips in the summertime, but that's me. It screams fall. So this is my fall lip gloss that I'm wearing right now. Realer, and it's on my website at leamorebeauty.com, which will be down below. And I'm just blending right now because that area was just giving me a problem. I didn't like the way it was looking, so I had to blend it out. And now we're going in to smoke out the under eye. And I have to position my camera. But we're smoking out the under eye. I love that glow. And here's the finished product. So I'm just trying to make sure that I get a good glimpse of everything so you can see it. You see the eyelashes popping. Remember, that is Rule Bender. They're right now $10 on my website, www.leamorebeauty.com. And that is my thank you card that I put in all of my orders whenever I'm fulfilling my orders. And just tell them to tag me in their selfies. And so for everyone, if you're doing pop-up shops or anything like that, this is a good way to promote whatever you're doing, whether you're doing lip gloss or whatever. If you can do makeup, then I would say do it this way. This is just one way. Because if you're out and you're selling lip glosses, and I mean, you should have testers. But I mean, even if you don't have testers, that's fine. Just have it some way for them to see. And it wouldn't really match up if you just tried to put it on your arm or something like that. So I would say the Mannequin Challenge is a really good way to promote. I mean, look at those lashes. And the makeup is fire too, if I can say so myself. So I felt like I really did a good job with this. And I was very excited to be able to put it out. Now, I did wish I had like a cute little wig I wanted to put on there, but I couldn't. I don't know what kind of wig to put on there, what color. I don't know. But she cute, right? So yeah, you all try this. I'll have a lot of more ways to promote your business coming soon. I actually had this mannequin since like May, and I'm just now doing it, and it's October. So that lets you know I have a lot of stuff coming. I have just been getting it ready for you guys, and we're gonna hit the ground running. Just stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, any questions, then put it in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like it if you have liked this video. And I do thank you guys so much for everything. You stay blessed. Bye.